Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to divide Android screen into two parts. Using two parts at the same time on your Android phone can boost your productivity and multitasking. The split screen feature allows you to divide your screen into two parts easily. This is perfect for chatting while watching videos or taking notes while browsing. In this guide, you'll learn how to enable and use the split screen mode on Android. So now, unlock your Android phone and open the first app you want to use. Tap the Recent Apps button, a square icon, or swiping up from the bottom of your screen, depending on your device. Find the app you want in the Recent Apps view. Tap the app icon at the top of its preview window. Select split screen or open in split screen view. The first app will move to the top half of the screen. Your recent apps list will appear on the bottom half. Tap the second app you want to use. Both apps will now appear in split screen mode. Drag the divider bar in the middle to adjust the screen size. Use both apps at the same time. To exit the split screen, drag the divider all the way up or down, and you'll return to normal full screen mode. Tip: some apps may not support split screen. Make sure both apps are updated for the best experience. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.